Hi, this is Kakiani from Sai Kalyan Creations. Today I am going to teach you how to make this beautiful wedding tray to keep your wedding bridal sarees or mugurtam items or any seed items. It can be fruits, chocolate, sweets, anything you can keep in this wonderful wedding tray. So this is a trouser tray where you can keep all your wedding seed items. Now we shall get into this idea of how to make this beautiful tray. I need to, I will also tell you what are the raw materials that is required to make this wedding tray. First, I need a plywood cutting, MDF cutting for the size of 12 by 18. This is a MDF cutting. If you don't have the MDF cutting, you can also use cardboard or hardboard to this size, and a few velvet piece, silk cloth and golden paper, some flowers to decorate and a golden ribbon, fevicol and pipes, electrical 1-inch pipes which is easily available in all electrical shops or hardware shops to make the panels for the wedding tray. So these pipes. So now I will show you how to make this tray. First, cut the velvet cloth to the size of the MDF cutting. Now I have taken the MDF size of 12 by 18 inches so that it can be easily used to keep the wedding saree or any mugurtam items, seed items that you can keep it. It is a normal size. Any size you can customize and you can do it. First I will start sticking the velvet cloth on all the 4 sides of the tray by using the glue gun. While using the glue gun, please be very careful because it will be very hot. So please be very careful while using the glue gun. Now I have pasted one side. Like this we need to paste all the 4 sides. First we should paste opposite sides of the tray, then only it will be equal. And coming to the third side of the tray. So after pasting, whatever the extra cloth can be cut it off. Compared to hardboard or cardboard, MDF plywood would be very stronger and it will have a long shelf life. So please use only the MDF cutting so that it can hold weight also. So for practice you can use cardboard or hardboard, but for making the real wedding tray, please use the MDF plywood cutting, that you can get it in whatever the customized size can be get from any plywood shop. Now I am cutting of the all extra fabric, velvet fabric. All the 4 sides you need to cut. Yes, now I have cut all the 4 sides extra fabric. My base plate is ready. Now I am going to fix the electrical 1-inch pipe to make a panel for this tray. And I am going to wrap the electrical pipe with the silk cloth. Any contrast fabric that you can take or any matching fabric that you can take. Here I have taken light blue color to give a contrast look to the base peacock blue velvet. So I am pasting the silk fabric over the pipe by using the glue gun. So the extra fabric you can cut it and roll the fabric fully to cover the entire pipe. tightly. You should roll the fabric very firmly, very tightly. There should not be any loose anywhere. While using the glue gun, please do it very slowly when you are using it for the first time. Yes. Now I have covered the pipe entirely with this silk fabric. You can see. So the extra fabric, I am just cutting it, and you can use the extra fabric to roll for another pipe also. So now the first one side panel is ready. I have already cut the electrical pipe to the size of the tray. Now I am going to further decorate this pipe with the golden tissue ribbon. 1/2 inch I have taken here. You can use any lace to further decorate. Decoration part is entirely your creativity. I have taken golden lace. Yes, like this you need to make all the 4 sides pipe. You should cover it with the silk, then you should wrap it up with the golden lace. So I have made it ready, all the 4 sides are now ready. Now I am going to paste this pipe all the 4 sides. For instant paste I am using the glue gun, and it will be very strong enough to hold the support also. The joint portion should come the below side. I mean, you should paste the joint portion. The down, yeah. Now I am pasting it here. Either you can hide all the 4 joints with the flower bows, or you can use the L shape L pipe also is available in hardware shows. So that also you can use it. Here I am going to hide all the joints with the flower bows. That is very easy also. So now my base tray is ready. This I am going to further decorate with the flowers and the brooches. I have taken dark blue flowers, satin flowers and paper flowers. These flowers which are easily available in all fancy stores and arts and crafts stores. And I have made some golden tissue bows also. I am just showing you how I am making this bow. It is very easy one. So like this I am going to make the flower bows for all the 4 sides. Yeah, the bow is ready. By practice you will get it very fast. And there are more colors available in this paper flowers and satin flowers. I have just taken flowers matching to this tray. You can also use the contrast flowers also to make it to give it a good look or a rich royal look. So my bow is ready. Yeah, it looks so good. I am going to keep it on the joints to hide the joints. Yes, now it is ready to stick. I have covered the one corner. Like this you need to make bows and cover all the four sides, four corners. Yes. So I have covered all the four corners with the flowers. Now my tray, the front portion of my tray is ready. Same way I need to decorate the back portion also to give a finished look. For this, the back portion I am going to cover it with the golden paper, which I have already cut and kept it for the size of the tray. For this I am going to apply Fevicol all over the back side. It should be evenly spread so that nowhere it is left without any sticking or without pasting. So it should be, the Fevicol should be evenly spread. Yes, now I have applied Fevicol all over the back side of the tray. I am going to paste this golden paper to give a neat finish to the back side of the tray. And you should let it dry for at least 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Here I have covered everything with the paper, and even the corners I am going to use the glue gun and stick it fully. The extra paper also I am going to cut it off. This extra paper that you can cut it off, yes, and with the help of glue gun I am going to stick it fully. Yes. So that it will not get peeled off from the tray. The paper will not get peeled off from the tray. You should stick it very firmly. Now I have covered all the four sides. I am just checking it out. Wherever it is left, I am just covering it with glue gun. So that the back side of the tray will not look, will not get any shabby look or something. So it will also have a finish look. and now the back side is also ready. Further I am going to decorate this tray on the side portion where I have pasted, I have joined the pipe as well as the base tray. That portion I am going to hide it with the ribbon or some half-inch lace so that the joint will not be visible and will have a very good look. See, I am going to use this ribbon matching to this tray. If the same color is not available, you can use golden color also to hide the joint of the pipe with the tray. All over the tray we should paste it to cover the entire portion of the joints. All the four sides I am just covering it with the lace. Here I have taken blue color lace matching to the tray. If the same color not available, as I said, you can also use the golden color ribbon or golden color lace. Any design would be fine, not an issue. Yes, now I have completed all the four sides. Almost everything, my tray is ready to have any silk saree, anything you can keep it in this wedding tray. Yes, now my tray is ready. You can keep bridal saree, you can keep chocolates, sweets, fruits, any wedding seer items you can keep it here and you can present it very nicely. Definitely it will steal the show. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.